Did you know that a simple clove of garlic can work as a powerful natural fertilizer for your plants? It sounds surprising, but it's true. When buried in the soil, garlic slowly releases sulfur, allicin, and other beneficial compounds that plants absorb. These nutrients help improve soil health and boost plant growth naturally. Unlike synthetic fertilizers, which can harm the environment, garlic breaks down gradually, feeding your plants while acting as a natural pest repellent. It's like a tiny underground pharmacy and shield for your garden. Over time, the garlic decomposes, enriching the soil with antimicrobial properties and giving your plants a stronger, healthier foundation. So next time you have extra garlic cloves, don't just toss them. Plant them in your garden. Have you ever tried this trick? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and for more genius gardening hacks.